Okay guys, good evening. By the way, tonight is
Buko Pandan.
no, yeah, it's true. You say Buko Pandan, but avocado. So we prepared already.
Yeah.
Making Buko Pandan. So this is gelatin buko. Gelatin buko and Buko Pandan flavored gelatin already stripped, and also sweet corn, and we add avocado, fruits, and ibab, and condensed, and also cheese, magnolia cheese. Okay guys, let's start. So we put first the buko gelatin, next Buko Pandan flavor, and also already to slice my hobby. It's because I am busy, so I think I need your help. And we add the
Avocado.
My favorite fruits, my hobby, avocado. Okay, we mix guys.
Let's mix it then.
And we put sweet corn. Next, we put the all-purpose cream.
Cream goes in now.
Okay, we mix it. I think it's super delicious.
Yeah.
Requested my hubby guys. Instead Buko Pandan, so I add avocado. Then we add cheese.
Let's add some cheese
Oh,
then.
delicious. I put some cheese. Guys,
Mix again.
done already for mix the all ingredients Buko Pandan with avocado. So we put condensed milk.
Yeah, very good.
Then
Mix again.
mix it. Then we add pita.
Yeah.
okra is done already, so taste it first. You wanna try?
Yeah, I can try it. See how delicious it is.
Okay.
Do you want to try, AC?
How's your taste?
Very good.
Delicious?
Delicious, yeah.
So guys, done already for making buko pandan with avocado.
Yeah.
So, thank you for your watching. Please subscribe and like my YouTube channel for my hobby.